Hey guys, Miss Moxley again. What we're doing here now is we're looking at the types of energy assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and pull it up. I've actually got it pulled up a little bit further on my end. But what you need to do here is you can do one of two things. You can either pull up either Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and you can type up the different types of energy and give a definition and an example, or you can click the link here and access the worksheet. If you access the worksheet, when you save the worksheet and then you input your answers, your responses, be sure that you go back and re-download the assignment with your answers, with your responses on it before you submit, or it's going to upload a blank document. So what I've got here, airplane going over, sorry. What I've got here is the worksheet already pulled up. It gives you the 8 types of energy. You need to give a definition and an example of each. Okay, again, this should be review. If you need help with this, if you have questions, go back to that lesson, and it is energy. The lesson title is energy. I apologize, I couldn't remember the title of the lesson off the top of my head. But you can go back to the energy lesson. It has all of that information in there. This is where you should be getting your definitions and examples from, because this is the information you're tested over. All right. If you have any questions beyond that, of course, send me an email. We'll talk about this in live session on Wednesday. Bye, guys.